Every morning at 6:12 a.m., Jay tapped the same cracked phone screen, letting the blue glow spill across his face. Notifications, views, comments, silence. Some days he woke up to chaos. Messages, tags, DMs asking for more videos. Other days, nothing but digital tumbleweeds. And that was the part nobody ever talked about. Jay wasn't just a content creator. He was a one-man studio, a creative factory, a walking idea machine forced to stay on, even when life tried to turn him off. He had days when ideas came rushing at him like a flood. Titles, skits, camera angles. Hooks so fire he'd sprint across the room to jot them down. And then, he had the other days. Days when inspiration felt like a broken faucet. Days when he sat in front of the camera for an hour, hit record, hit delete, hit record again, only to stare at a version of himself that looked tired. Tired of pretending he had it all figured out. His friends didn't get it. Just post something, they said. But they didn't understand that good content isn't posted. It's poured from late nights, from real feelings, from the pressure of fighting an algorithm that never sleeps. But Jay kept going. Because on the days when someone commented, "Bro, this helped me," or "I needed this today," it hit different. It reminded him that behind every view was a real person. Behind every like was somebody choosing him out of millions. And one night, while staring at his editing screen, Jay realized something. He wasn't chasing followers. He was chasing connection. He wasn't competing with other creators. He was competing with the old version of himself, the one who was scared to start. So he leaned back, breathed deep, and pressed record one more time. And just like that, Jay stepped back into the loop. The grind, the doubt, the breakthroughs, the fire. The life of a content creator. Messy, beautiful, exhausting, worth it.